Hello, I'm Mark Hartright, Professional Development Lead for Smart Technologies here in the UK. And this week we're so proud to be part of the YESFest and support with them with the fantastic work that they do.
So we're coming to you live from the largest rainforest in captivity.
Smart's commitment to sustainability has been ingrained within our values for many, many years. Smart have led the way in producing some of the world's most efficient interactive displays. The new 65-inch GX series board uses just 79 watts of energy when in use. This is less than a household light bulb. Smart are committed to leading the way when it comes to the impact technology has on our planet, ensuring the next generations can continue to use the amazing technology whilst looking after the planet for a sustainable future.